eating and relaxing. How cute this squirrel is. Real quick garden tour today. We're not going to stay long in this garden. I just want to show you guys that I am growing an eggplant. Actually, 2 eggplants. Where's the other one? Oh, here it is. Where the heck is it? Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, here it is, right in front of my face. Eggplant baby. Eggplant mama. Pretty cool, right? I'm so excited because the way these plants started out, I thought it was going to be a disaster. I mean, look at the shape of these leaves. Those friggin' sucker bugs were sucking the hell out of them. Look, you can see them on there right now. Check this out over here. I also have 2 eggplants growing in a container over here that was also doing equally terrible. But I actually have an eggplant popping. I can't believe it. So I guess eggplants are pretty hardy, even under the circumstances of my terrible dirt, sucking bugs, destroying the leaves. They are still prevailing. What are we gonna make? Eggplant parmesan? You know what I do make is I layer eggplant in my lasagna. I'll have to show you guys how I do that. It's friggin' amazing. I do have a groundhog though, and he's been coming along and eating my lettuce. If anything, I wish he would just eat the kale. I mean, my God, I've got tons of kale. He's welcome to share that with me. Holy crap! I didn't even know this one was here. Can you guys see that? Holy crow! That's what I'm talking about. I didn't even know this was here, and all of a sudden there's like this giant 8-inch cucumber in my garden. Cucumbers are just like, they just grow. I really don't have to do much to these plants at all. So I've gotten really a lot of delicious cucumbers from these plants this season. So last year I tried it in containers and I had really bad luck. I got like just a couple and they didn't really taste that great. So this year I'm doing really well with cucumbers. I'm so excited. My first red tomato. It's gigantic. Wow, look at the size of it. Giant Jersey tomato. Alright, so check this out, you guys. I'm going over to my friend Tammy's house. Wait till you see this. Her whole entire backyard is like overrun with these hornets that are digging down into the dirt. Apparently they're cicada killers. It's unbelievable to watch. Her whole yard is swarming with these hornets that then dive bomb down into the earth. They dig down and they're going after the cicadas that live under the earth. Like, isn't it an amazing world that we live in? So come check this out. And I'm going to bring this amazing tomato that I just grew and share tomato sandwiches with her. So let's go. Hey, you're going in the house.
I'm grabbing my smokes. Oh!
Hi, it's okay. Wait a minute, wait. Look,
You brought me a tomato.
We're gonna make tomato sandwiches.
I hate tomato sandwiches.
Oh, God, how could you hate them? Look at this beautiful tomato. I brought all the stuff to make tomato sandwiches. Well, I'm gonna eat one. Look at this tomato, though. It's so beautiful.
It's beautiful. It looks like
It's like
An
a heart.
ass.
An ass?
Oh, no, maybe that
does
way
look
it's a
like
heart.
an ass. It's a heart or an
Pucker
ass.
up, baby.
I was too excited, so I plucked it off. Plus, I have squirrels that seem to be stealing my stuff. So I was like, if I leave it longer, the squirrels might come along and steal my stuff.
Interesting. See, you've got this tomato.
It's a bit green inside. Oh, it's not good.
It needed a little longer.
I don't know. The seeds look like they were rotting. I'm gonna eat one. See how it is. Oh, what a disappointment. Alright. The true test. My first tomato. It's good.
That's alright.
It's still good. I got one decent usable slice.
That's because you put extra mayo on there.
Yeah, anything's good with extra mayo. Alright, now that I ate my rotten tomato sandwich, let's take a look at these. What are you calling them? Like hornets? Killer hornets? Oh my god. It looks like a groundhog did it, not a bug.
Right?
It's gigantic. Here he comes! He's coming out! Oh my god! That's the hornet?
Yep.
It's so big. Oh my god, it's so big. Ah! Remember the eggplants I was showing you guys? I had the two nice ones over on my corner bed, but I also had an eggplant growing over here in the container that I was really surprised even did anything, and it's friggin' gone. It was right on here. I have video proof. I just showed it to you guys, and now my eggplant is gone. Somebody stole it. Another Duke Island Park ride. We're in a convoy. Come on and join our convoy. Ain't nothing gonna get in our way. Breaker 19, this here's the rubber duck. Coming up on this rattlesnake, come on. There's a big bear hiding in the cove up ahead. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hi. Bug cloud, can you see it? Close your eyes. Close your mouth. A little bit of a traffic jam. Park is the place to be. Aw, look how cute. She was worth it. She was worth the hold up. I was born ready. They don't call me Ready Whip for nothing. Yay, it almost seems like we live in a normal world for a minute. How's this view? Need a facelift view? Is that what this view is? Donate to my Patreon so I can get a facelift view. Hi. Hi. Trying to say hi to everybody so they're not scared. Hi. Everybody's scared.
In the middle of the path, stop holding on your bike.
Yeah. Don't be scared. It's just life. Here comes my tree. My most fabulous tree. The tree of life.